Beneath the endless ice and brutal cold of Antarctica, could there be something hidden, something lost in time? Stories of ancient civilizations, strange structures, and forbidden maps fuel speculation that the frozen continent may hold secrets far older than we think. But how much of this is fact, and how much is just legend? Welcome to the Enigma Explorer. Today we dive into one of the most mysterious topics of all: lost cities of Antarctica. Myth or reality? The idea of a lost civilization beneath Antarctica is not new. This concept has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and conspiracy theorists alike for decades. The notion that an entire advanced society could be hidden beneath the ice is both thrilling and mysterious. It challenges our understanding of history and the natural world. Some even connect it to the legendary Atlantis. Atlantis, as described by the ancient philosopher Plato, was a powerful and technologically advanced civilization that supposedly vanished beneath the waves in a single day and night of misfortune. The story of Atlantis has captivated imaginations for millennia, leading to countless theories about its possible location and fate. But could this icy continent really hold the remnants of an ancient, forgotten city? The harsh and inhospitable environment of Antarctica makes it an unlikely candidate for human habitation, yet some believe that beneath its thick ice sheets lies evidence of a once thriving civilization. The idea is tantalizing, but is there any real evidence to support it? Plato described Atlantis as a technologically advanced society that vanished beneath the sea. According to his accounts, Atlantis was a utopia of sorts, with advanced engineering, impressive architecture, and a society that valued knowledge and wisdom. The sudden disappearance of such a civilization has led to endless speculation and debate. Some theories suggest that if Atlantis did exist, it may not have sunk, but instead moved, buried under ice after a catastrophic pole shift. This theory posits that a dramatic shift in the Earth's poles could have caused massive geographical changes, displacing entire continents and submerging others under ice. Could this explain the mysterious disappearance of Atlantis? Could Antarctica be its final resting place? The idea is certainly intriguing. If true, it would mean that the icy continent holds secrets that could rewrite our understanding of human history. The possibility of discovering ancient ruins or artifacts beneath the ice is a thrilling prospect for archaeologists and adventurers alike. During the early 20th century, explorers such as Admiral Richard Byrd reported unusual sightings in Antarctica. Byrd, a pioneering aviator and polar explorer, led several expeditions to the continent and claimed to have seen vast, unexplored lands beyond the ice. His reports have fueled speculation about what might lie hidden in the frozen wilderness. Some accounts speak of vast, unexplored lands and structures resembling artificial formations. These reports suggest that there may be more to Antarctica than meets the eye. Could these formations be the remnants of an ancient city, or are they simply natural geological features shaped by the extreme conditions of the continent? Could these be the remnants of an ancient city, or just optical illusions caused by extreme conditions? The harsh environment of Antarctica is known to create optical illusions, such as mirages, that can deceive even the most experienced explorers. However, the possibility that these sightings could be evidence of a lost civilization continues to intrigue and inspire. One of the most intriguing legends speaks of a lost city deep beneath the ice, allegedly discovered by secret expeditions. These stories often involve clandestine missions and hidden discoveries, adding an element of mystery and conspiracy to the tale. Could there be a grain of truth in these legends, or are they simply the product of overactive imaginations? Some conspiracy theories claim that hidden artifacts and even advanced technology were found, but kept from the public. These theories suggest that governments and organizations have deliberately concealed evidence of ancient civilizations to maintain control over historical narratives. While there is little concrete evidence to support these claims, they continue to capture the public's imagination. Could there be any truth to this? The mysteries of Antarctica remain largely unexplored, and the possibility of hidden secrets beneath its ice continues to captivate. Whether or not there is any truth to the legends, the allure of discovering a lost civilization beneath the frozen continent is a powerful one. As technology advances and exploration continues, perhaps one day we will uncover the answers to these enduring mysteries. Modern technology, such as ice-penetrating radar and advanced satellite imaging, is making it possible to explore the depths of Antarctica like never before. These tools could one day reveal hidden structures or artifacts that have been buried for millennia, offering new insights into the continent's mysterious past. International research teams are now collaborating to unlock the secrets of Antarctica. These collaborative efforts bring together experts from various fields, all working towards a common goal: to uncover the hidden history of this enigmatic continent. The future of Antarctic exploration holds exciting possibilities, and who knows what incredible discoveries await beneath the ice. Satellite images have revealed formations that some claim resemble pyramids and ruins. These images have sparked debate among researchers and enthusiasts. Some believe these structures could be remnants of an ancient civilization that once thrived on the now icy continent. The idea that Antarctica could have been home to an advanced society is both fascinating and controversial. Geologists argue these are natural formations shaped by wind and ice. The harsh conditions of Antarctica create extraordinary shapes. However, the precise angles and symmetry of some formations continue to fuel speculation about their true nature. Proponents argue that the formation's geometric precision suggests intelligent design. They draw parallels with other ancient structures around the world, suggesting a global network of ancient sites connected by a lost civilization. Could nature alone be responsible for these shapes? The question remains open, as both sides present compelling arguments. The mystery deepens, inviting us to reconsider what we know about human history and the forces that shape our world. While these theories are fascinating, it's crucial to distinguish between evidence-based research and pure speculation. Just because something appears mysterious doesn't mean it defies scientific explanation. Many myths about Antarctica stem from misunderstood history, exaggerated accounts, and wishful thinking. The idea of secret Nazi bases, hidden pyramids, and ancient extraterrestrial cities makes for a great story, but lacks solid proof. The biggest challenge is the sheer inaccessibility of Antarctica. With most of the continent buried under miles of ice, confirming any theories is incredibly difficult. Until new discoveries emerge, much of what we discuss remains speculative. However, the allure of the unknown continues to drive scientific inquiry and exploration. What we do know is that Antarctica was not always a frozen wasteland. This vast, icy continent, which now seems so inhospitable, was once a thriving, verdant paradise. Imagine a land teeming with life where dense rainforests stretched as far as the eye could see, and rivers meandered through lush valleys. This was Antarctica around 90 million years ago. Around 90 million years ago, it had rainforests and diverse wildlife. The climate was warm, and the ecosystem supported a variety of flora and fauna. Dinosaurs roamed freely and the skies were filled with the calls of ancient birds. This prehistoric world was a stark contrast to the icy desert we know today. If humans or any intelligent species had existed back then, could they have left behind traces that are now buried beneath the ice? This question has intrigued scientists and researchers for decades. The possibility of an ancient civilization hidden beneath miles of ice sparks the imagination. Could there be remnants of ancient cities, tools, or even written records waiting to be discovered? As climate change accelerates ice melt, new discoveries are being made. The receding ice is revealing landscapes that have been hidden for millennia. Researchers are uncovering new areas and finding clues that could potentially rewrite our understanding of history. Each new discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of this frozen continent. Could melting ice uncover structures or artifacts that finally answer the mystery of a lost civilization? The idea is tantalizing. Imagine finding the ruins of an ancient city, perfectly preserved in the ice, or artifacts that tell the story of a people who lived in a time long forgotten. These discoveries could provide invaluable insights into the history of human civilization and the evolution of our planet. Some believe we may be on the verge of groundbreaking revelations. The excitement among the scientific community is palpable. Researchers are eager to share their findings and theories, and each new piece of evidence adds to the growing body of knowledge. The potential for discovery is immense, and the implications could be far-reaching. With advancements in technology and deeper ice drilling projects, scientists are pushing further than ever before. Modern equipment allows researchers to drill deeper into the ice, reaching layers that have been untouched for millions of years. High-tech instruments are providing new ways to analyze and interpret the data, leading to more accurate and detailed findings. The future of Antarctic exploration may bring us answers we never expected. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for discovery are expanding. Futuristic exploration vehicles and innovative research methods are opening up new frontiers in our quest to understand this enigmatic continent. The secrets of Antarctica are slowly being revealed, and the journey of discovery is just beginning. Satellite technology has also played a crucial role in uncovering hidden features beneath the ice. Advanced imaging techniques allow scientists to peer through the ice and identify potential sites of interest. These satellite images have revealed subglacial lakes, mountain ranges, and even possible signs of ancient human activity. Ice cores provide another window into Antarctica's past. By analyzing trapped air bubbles and particles within the ice, scientists can reconstruct ancient climates and atmospheric conditions. These ice cores have revealed periods of dramatic climate change and offer clues about how life might have adapted to these shifts. The idea of early human settlements in Antarctica is still speculative, but researchers are mapping potential archaeological sites based on geological and climatic data. If evidence of ancient human activity is found, it would revolutionize our understanding of human migration and adaptation. International collaboration is key to unlocking Antarctica's secrets. Researchers from around the world are pooling their knowledge and resources to explore this frozen frontier. The spirit of cooperation and shared discovery is driving the quest to uncover the truth behind the ice. The vision of an ancient Antarctic civilization continues to captivate our imagination. Artistic depictions blend historical and futuristic elements, painting a picture of what might have been. As we delve deeper into the ice, we may find that the line between myth and reality is thinner than we ever imagined. So is there a lost city beneath the ice? While no definitive proof exists, the theories, maps, and discoveries keep the mystery alive. Antarctica remains one of the least explored places on Earth, and its secrets, whether real or imagined, continue to captivate the human imagination. Did you know that scientists have discovered over 400 subglacial lakes beneath the ice? These hidden lakes could potentially harbor ancient microbial life. Some researchers believe that ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map, depict Antarctica free of ice, suggesting advanced ancient civilizations might have known about the continent long before modern discovery. What do you think? Is there an ancient civilization hidden beneath the ice, or is it all just myth? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Enigma Explorer for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries.